Here's a certified 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLS. The standards set by the GL class meld with the standards set by the S class for another step forward in luxury. The interior is richly appointed, the performance dignified, and its ease luxurious. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, memory steering wheel settings, power tilting steering column, auto tilt-away steering column, and twin-turbo V6 engine. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.